How's it going, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to purchase Super Doge. Alright, let's get started. Alright, first off, you guys are going to want to go ahead and go on your guys' mobile device and go ahead and download the Trust Wallet. Once you guys have done that, we're going to go ahead and open the web browser on your guys' mobile device and go on this website called CoinGecko. Right where it's the search, we're going to go ahead and type in the search bar. Go ahead and type in Super Doge. We're going to go ahead and click on that. Once you guys have done that, alright, so this website called CoinGecko basically tells you the statistics of the coins, the statistics, and how it's been doing for like the past. If we scroll down, it tells you how it's been doing for the past year, past month, past 2 weeks, up to the past hour. Alright, let's go ahead and scroll back up. Right where it says show info, we're gonna go ahead and click on that. And right where it says contract, you're just gonna see the two little boxes next to the wolf. We're gonna go ahead and click on that. That's basically gonna go ahead and copy the coin address onto your guys' mobile device. Once you guys have done that, we're gonna go ahead and open another tab, and we're gonna go ahead and go on this other website called Pancake Swap. This is the website where we're gonna go ahead and do our transaction, where we're going to convert one of our coins into Super Doge. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and click where it says Connect Wallet. And it's going to give you three options. It's going to say Wallet Connect, MetaMask, and Trust Wallet. I'm going to go ahead and use my Trust Wallet to connect to this. But before you guys click on anything, you guys are going to want to make sure you guys go ahead and click on Wallet Connect first. So once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and click on the Trust icon after. It's going to take us to our app. Once it does that, we're going to go ahead and click on Connect. And then we can go ahead and go back to our web browser. Alright, so, okay, now, a way you can tell that it's been connected, you can see on the top right corner, you can see like a little wallet icon, and it's gonna say disconnect on the bottom. Once you guys click on that, so on the bottom you guys can see four icons. It's gonna say trade, earn, win, and NFT. We're gonna go ahead and click on the trade icon, so go ahead and click on that. As you guys can see, I also have a balance of BNB 0.005. That's another way you guys can tell that you guys' wallet has been connected, if you guys have a balance of BNB. Right, so once we do that, right where it says cake, we're gonna go ahead and click on that, and we're gonna go ahead and paste. Go ahead and click on paste, and it's basically copying the address that we copied in earlier, which is the address for the Super Doge. We're gonna go ahead and click on import. Go ahead and click on I understand, and then import. Nice. So once that's been done, you guys are gonna go ahead and input how much BNB we're gonna convert. So let's say I'm gonna go ahead and type in 0.01, 0.001. Before you guys go ahead and click on swap, you guys are going to want to go ahead and click on the settings icon. You guys want to make sure that your guys' where it says slippage tolerance, you guys are going to want to make sure it's set up at 12. If this is your guys' first time, usually comes out at 1. So you guys want to make sure that it's set up at 12 so the transaction can actually convert properly, because they charge you small fees. If it's too low, the transaction won't go through. So you guys want to make sure it's at 12. That's usually the sweet spot where it's the cheapest you can possibly go. If you're lucky, you can try 10. But usually it's 12. Sometimes you might have to do 15 if 12 doesn't go through. So after that's done, we're gonna go ahead and click on X, the little X, and as you guys can see, 0.001, which is like, honestly, I think it's less than $1, gets you about 74 Super Doge. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on swap, confirm swap. So it's gonna go ahead and tell me to open the Trust Wallet. I click on open, then click. Once it does that, it's gonna go ahead and transfer us over to this. So as you can see, they're charging me a network fee of $1.20, and the max total is $1.81. If I click on confirm, it's gonna go ahead and go through. But this is just for tutorial purposes only, so I'm not gonna go ahead and purchase it. So once it's done, it's gonna say I'm gonna go ahead and click on confirm, and it's gonna go through. Once it goes through, you guys are gonna scroll up, and you guys are gonna want to go ahead and click on your guys' search bar on the top right corner. Go ahead and do that, and type in Super Doge. As you guys can see, I've toggled it on, so it would normally show right here that you guys have purchased it, and usually it's toggled off. So for the first time, when you guys purchase it for the first time, you guys will not be able to see it since I did not purchase it. It's not going to show, but either way, just go ahead and type in Super Doge, and you guys will be able to type it in through here, and you guys toggle it on so you guys can go ahead and view your guys' coins. But like I said, this is just for tutorial purposes. I do plan on buying Super Doge, but not at the moment because it's currently in a dip, and I've heard good stuff about this coin. I know it's just a meme coin, but I've seen that they're creating actually TV shows. That's what interested me in showing you guys this video of this new coin that's been out for about a month already. So I hope this video was useful, and if you guys have any questions or comments, you guys can go ahead and leave them down in the comments below. If you guys want me to go ahead and show you guys how to purchase any other altcoins, go ahead and leave them down in the comments also below. And yeah, this has been everything crypto, and I hope you guys have a good one. All right, thanks.